A film that was 6 years in the making has finally come to life.
Being the producer, I've been trying to manifest this, and I was like, finally, I'm the top dog, I'm the boss. And then we cast my mum. And, I'd be on set watching scenes take place, and then I'd get a call like, Noah, your mum needs you back at the unit base at her trailer. I'd go out there, and she'd be like, oh, I forgot my phone in the car. I'm like, Mother, you know that I'm in the middle of filming. I'm a busy man. That was all said in my head. Really, I just said yes.
Eli Sunny Green, who plays Irene, says she is overwhelmed with emotion that a Tongan hymn has made it on the big screen.
I'm not gonna cry, I just did my makeup, but it was a time where we all got to sing a Tongan hymn, and for me that was like a pivot in the film, just to see a Tongan hymn being displayed in a feature film.
Members of the public felt the movie made them feel many emotions.
I thought it was magic. It was very funny and well executed, and it was so beautiful to see the Tongan language spoken on screen, and I guess to see the moves and like everything that was Tongan culture. And I laughed the whole way in the moments that we were supposed to, and I thought it was brilliant.
Yeah, I love the benta. I love the island benta and the colors, the inclusiveness of family. And just like, the childish remarks and everything like that. Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10.
Good. A childhood hero to many, Susie Cato talks about her experience playing the brass band's music teacher.
Do you know, as they came out onto the rugby ground, as the actor, we're sitting there in the stands and the field is empty. The whole pitch is empty. And I'm crying. Such a method actor. It's like, I can imagine them coming out, and they're playing the music, and the tears are streaming down my face. I went and apologised to the director, and I said, oh, I'm sorry, I cried. He said, no, it was gold, it was gold.
Red, White and Brass will not only be seen in the cinemas, but will now be a part of Aotearoa's school curriculum. Aaron Ryan, Te Ao Tapatai.